We finally reached the last stop before Taipei on our trip through Taiwan, the beautiful city of Taichung, home to one of Taiwan's largest night markets. And if there's one thing we love, it's street food. Unfortunately, it rained for a lot of our stay here, and while that meant we didn't do as much sightseeing as usual, it did not impede our ability to visit two of the popular markets here in Taichung.
Okay, we're at Chun Shui Tang, which is the store that invented bubble tea here in Taiwan. And not only are we at the store, we are at the original location right now. We got two original bubble teas with regular sugar, regular ice, because that's what they recommended. So we're gonna test it out.
I'm very excited to be here. The story is cool, but not that like crazy. They said in 1987 they invented it. They just had an R&D team trying to make stuff, and they said, let's add like one of my favorite childhood snacks, the little tapioca balls, in milk tea. And they tried it, and it was good, but they said they never expected it to be such a global hit. And it is. I really like the bubble tea. It's really cool, it's fun getting in Taiwan, and it's delicious. So it's cool to be where it was actually invented. Here it is, the original bubble tea. It looks awesome in this cute glass. It's really icy too. I'm very excited. Lots of bobas, which I appreciate. This one tastes like way more like real tea. We've even got the regular sugar. It tastes like tea. Like it doesn't taste sweet and sugary and ice creamy like all the other ones do. So I don't know if that's better or worse. Also, the tapioca balls are way smaller. Like they're like little pebbles. They're not like marble size like most are. So, and they're not all molassesy. Hot take, it's not as good as the other ones. The other ones are way more fun, but it tastes like, you can tell it's like the original, like the first one, which I really appreciate, and I'm happy I had it.
Got a non-stellar review from Carson. Let me give it a shot. He's right. It's like blended slushy like a little bit. Let's see. I do prefer the tapioca balls at the other stands. The thicker ones. These ones are like suspiciously small, like they're really small in my mouth. But I really like the tea itself a lot, actually. It might be it's one of my favorites, I think. But we did get, like Kristen said, we got the regular sugar, and usually we get 30% sugar. And this does not taste as sweet as the ones we get at the other stands. If you saw our Kaohsiung and Tainan vlogs, you know that in Taiwan they have this company called U-Bike. It's basically like they have in all major cities, the like little bike hires to go, but you can use your transit pass, your e-pass, to order the bikes. They have regular pedal bikes and they have e-bikes. So we're going out to the largest night market in all of Taiwan today. It's kind of far out of the center of downtown. So we are going to bike there and get some nice food for dinner tonight. And in the park behind me, they're doing very peaceful looking Tai Chi. It looks so fun. Anyways, super easy, gonna take the bike. We're having so much fun biking. I put you in my basket. It's so fun to be like part of the road, and also because the roads here are kind of crazy. Like you can see the cars, you can't really tell on camera, but the cars that I'm passing to my right now are just in the right lane, but they have their hazards on, which I guess means you can just park anywhere. So things are already crazy enough, plus because of scooter culture, everyone knows how to interact with like the small little bike scooters. So it's super easy to bike on the street here. We're having so much fun. This is like Carson's favorite activity ever. I was a little scared at first, but it's definitely not that bad. And we're also in this like uptown, like Soho area. It's really cute. And we're about 10 minutes away from the night market. So we'll see. We're having a lot of fun. It's a little cold though. We just pulled up, parked our bikes, and that cost 10 Taiwan dollars, which is not even 50 cents Canadian. And we biked for a long time.
Yeah, it was probably 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Crazy. I love it here.
It's crazy. And like I said, it's so nice being on the road. It's actually pretty easy. There's a little bit of chaos sometimes, but for the most part, it's pretty easy. We're at Fengjia Night Food Market. It's apparently the biggest night food market in all of Taiwan. We're gonna go try some food, we're gonna get some fun drinks hopefully because I'm pretty thirsty. You'll see what we get up to.
Okay, first item from the Fengjia Night Market. I got the pan-fried dumpling buns. These are delicious. I think it's similar to the one I got in Hong Kong. Amazing. Look at all these for 50. That's $2. Value, I think. Let's try them out. so good. They taste like buns, like little nice dinner roll buns, but with dumplings in them. Oh, very delicious. Love to see it.
I usually just end up eating potatoes here, which is fine by me. And I got a double cheese baked potato. I was kind of expecting it to have like shredded cheese, especially because they had shredded cheese. It's just like nacho cheese inside of a baked potato, which is fine by me. So let's give it a try. You know what? Could be better.
Oh, wow.
Hot take, could be better. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. Alright, next thing we got, we saw a big poster. The poster is actually right there. For strawberry milk. Well, it started off with watermelon milk, and Carson really wanted it. And then we saw strawberry milk. And then we saw strawberry milk with cheese foam, which sounds gross, but Carson yesterday got a bubble tea with cheese foam on the top, and it's like cream cheese. I was kind of hoping it would be like cheddar cheese because I like weird cheese flavors. Anyways, so we got it. It has the cutest little puppy paw and like strawberry dust on the top. And I'm gonna give it a try. I don't want to mix it up. It tastes like strawberry milk. I think the cheese foam is at the top, but I don't want to mix it up because it's the puppy paw. I should. I'll let Carson have a try without it and then we'll mix it up. It's really, really good. Carson!
That is delicious. Very delicious. It's so sweet. We got half sugar, and it's like blast you away, knock your socks off sweet. So
yeah.
I don't even know what full sugar is.
Yeah.
Taiwan is like diabetes culture. I'm not gonna lie.
In Taiwan, you should definitely be ordering like 30. We usually get 30 with our bubble teas or 50. I got full sugar, like regular one time, and it was way too sweet. It is like diabetes central here, to be honest.
It's not even too sweet. Like, would I like 100% sugar? Yes.
Should you get 100% sugar?
Yeah, if I was drinking that every day, I'd have diabetes. Like, it's actually, and you know, if you know me, you know I gotta watch out.
Carson! That's not nice.
If my dad was here, he would be dead. That's all I have to say. Sorry, Byron.
Alright, Carson's calling the CRA, so I'm going to do this review by myself. We got sweet potato balls, which apparently are a really big thing here. And the line is always around the block for this place. Like this place being every sweet potato ball stand at every night free market in Taiwan. So, I don't really like sweet potato, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's get one of these. This is what they look like. The cooking process was kind of crazy. Yeah, let's see. They're good. You know what they kind of taste like? The original Timbit, but without any like sugar coating. Yeah, the original Timbit.
I like them a lot, and I don't even like sweet potatoes, but they're like hollow on the inside, so they like melt in your mouth, and then they're kind of chewy. They're really nice.
Yeah, you know what? They're pretty good. They're pretty good. Baby Carson on the phone with the CRA in the middle of the street food
Doing
market.
my taxes, don't mind me.
The last thing I'm getting, Carson's probably gonna get some more, is just a big old thing of fries. That's always, every time we walk past, has been lined up with so many little school kids. And you get to pick your sauce like you saw me squeezing out of the cow udders. We got honey mustard, garlic mayo, spicy mayo, and regular ketchup. Yum! I read online that you can get like really, really long fries, and that's what we've been looking for. We've walked this entire night market, which also is not as good as the one in Kaohsiung. Hot take, like the one in Kaohsiung better. But I can't find the extra, extra long fries anywhere. You know what, actually I retract my statement. This one's more fun. It has more shops and more games, and it's not as crowded, so it's easier to walk. But there's, I think, better and more food selection in Kaohsiung. That's what I think. Final statement.
Definitely better food in Carson, but it is a bit panic-inducing, whereas this is more fun.
Alright, we got two last things here at the night market. Carson got Korean fried chicken with some kimchi.
It's really good, actually. It's really nice and sweet. Ooh, Koreans really know what they're doing with the fried chicken.
And then we've got some of our favorite, I think it's called tanghulu, but I only heard that on the internet a long time ago. It's the fruits that are covered in sugar, and I think it's from Korea. I'm not 100% sure. So we switched up. Usually we get the just strawberries, but this time we got oranges and strawberries and grapes. So this was 95, which is like $4, and Carson's was 100, which is like $4.
Actually, I'll give you a money update because I track all my money so that we know. We spent $5.95 on everything we got here, and $5.95 is $25.75 Canadian, so 26 Canadian dollars. I'll even give it to you in US. 18 US dollars on everything we got here. And that's for like full meals and fun times here at the night market. So I'd say that's a pretty good deal. Food here in Taiwan is definitely a good deal. I think this market was a bit more expensive than some of the other ones we've been to, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's always fun to come to the markets. You do always, like even in Thailand, you do always end up spending more than you would just like at a restaurant.
But you get so much
stuff.
stuff.
But it's fun, and you're just walking around, and especially when everything's like 50 or 100, you're like, yeah, I'll get that. And then you end up spending more money than you usually would. All right, we've never had the orange before. Give it a try. That's pretty good. I love oranges. There's no strawberry though. Nothing can ever beat the strawberry.
That's really good. Yeah, the strawberry's way better.
And the strawberry is always more expensive too. And I understand why. Because the strawberry is just so much better. Strawberry just lends itself so well to the candy coating. Alright, it's the next day. We just took the e-bikes out to Rainbow Village, which is like the #1 thing to do here in Taichung. Previously a veterans compound where veterans and their families used to live. One man is responsible for all of these paintings. Everyone nicknamed him Rainbow Grandpa, and he decided that he was going to try to preserve the buildings in the compound because they were getting bought out by developers, and paint all of the buildings. And he did an amazing job. Unfortunately, in 2022, a lot of them were vandalized. So you can see this behind me is original, but some of the other ones to preserve them are like canvas in front of it to preserve the original painting. So it's a beautiful place. It's a teeny tiny little compound, and it's such a cute little story. Unfortunately, Rainbow Grandpa passed away in 2024, but tons of people come to see his paintings. Like I said, it's like one of the main highlights to do here in Taichung.
I like this little Rainbow Village. It's such a cute story, really, too. And all the paintings are really fun. You can tell like the original ones because he has a really unique, fun little style of like the animals with little dots. It's a fun place to walk around. Whoa.
We're back at another street food market. This one, I don't actually know the name of. I think that I'm going to get a lot of potato again this time. I really wish I could eat more food at the markets, but I never can. Carson says he wants sweet potato balls, and we also have like no cash, so we're going to need to figure out an ATM. There's this huge line, and it turns out to be this giant piece of like chicken. So Carson's going to get it.
I got this last time in Kaohsiung and it blew me away, so hopefully it's of the same quality.
So, like we've said in vlogs before, we always use the Todd Kalman strategy of getting the longest line, and this is by far the longest line we've seen. It's crazy.
It wraps around a little, so that's always a good sign.
I'm sure it's great.
Looks very good. The pieces are absolutely massive. This is like way too much chicken, fried chicken to eat, but I gotta do it for you guys. They season it a lot. Like they paint it with a paintbrush and put some like rub on it to it, so it must be delicious. That's excellent. Completely different than the one I got in Kaohsiung. It's got that like Korean fried chicken where it's kind of like wet and saucy, which is super good, and like less fried, more chewy, and like the dough is thick. Oh, excellent, excellent.
I was reading a blog about what to get when you come here, and it said Angel's Fried Chicken. So for a while we thought Carson unknowingly got Angel's Fried Chicken because that's the super famous chicken we got in Kaohsiung. But then we found it. They got the same video and everything. And look at the size of this line. There's the stand. And look at the line. Like this. All the way back there. It was not that lined up in Kaohsiung.
To be fair, it is that good. It's like the best fried chicken I've ever had. So
How does this one
understandable.
compare?
This one's excellent too, but they're different categories of fried chicken, which is good. Like I've had both now, but that one is the best fried chicken I've ever had still.
So, you heard it from Carson. Take his word for it. It's good to wait in that line. That might be the biggest line I've ever seen in a street food stall, though.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
but it deserves it. So the strategy works again. Because if you waited in that line, you would be happy.
We finally found something of fun that I can get. I'm getting a deep fried king oyster mushroom. I don't actually really like king oyster mushrooms that much, but they're used very frequently as a meat substitute. So I am super excited. It's lined right out the door. I feel like I'm special, just like Carson, with my very popular stand. I think everyone's getting the chicken though, because they sell chicken too. I don't think everyone's lined up for the king oyster mushroom.
There's so many chicken stands here selling the giant cuts of chicken. And I ate that whole thing really fast. Feeling pretty full, guys, I'm not gonna lie. But it was good, it was really good. And I'm gonna eat a lot more street food, don't worry. I always feel sick when we leave these places, though.
Carson has no self-control. If you know Carson in real life, you know that he actually has no self-control at all.
These are not the places for me. Because especially, I was just telling Hannah, it's like death by 1,000 cuts. I said, it's amazing how fast you can spend $20, $2 at a time. And it's be out here, oh, $2? Yep, $2, $4, $2. And it's like, oh, we spent $30. Whoops.
Alright, I finally have my bites, my king oyster mushroom bites. They kind of look like chicken bites. We waited for so long. They were calling the numbers out in Mandarin, obviously, and they weren't putting them on the screen, so we just had to sense when it was our turn. So I got a medium spicy. Let's see. They're pretty good.
Did you get them again?
I would not get them again, but I'm very hungry right now. Medium spicy is very spicy.
Oh.
They're just, like I said, I don't really like king oyster mushroom. It's very like tender, that's why they use it as a meat substitute. It's very chewy and I don't really like chewy. It's good. Alright guys, Kristen said we had to get a dessert, so we got fried gelato.
This is deep fried gelato, caramel brownie chocolate flavor. Come on. And the girl was so nice they gave it to us. She was very cute, so we love to see it. Look, it's in a cute shape. Look at that.
Oh, it looks like a cat.
So it's delicious, but you're biting through hot dough into freezing cold ice cream. So your teeth really go through a whole roller coaster experience, but I like it. It's really good.
Okay. Oh yeah, it is very cold. Okay. Okay, I'm a little scared. Oh. It was very good. I don't know if I call it gelato though, because gelato is typically a little softer, which might be because you have to like fry it. I don't know. Carson's right. There's a lot going on. You kind of got to do a little nibble, like a little to get through it. But it's good. It's yummy. And the caramel was for sure the way to go. The other one I was pitching was apple blueberry, but the caramel brownie is way better. All right, last stop. This is actually the last thing we're gonna do in Taichung. I got my street corn. If you know me, you know I love street corn and corn in general. I always get it at the street food market. This is corn on the cob that comes with flavors. I got mine spicy. I kind of wish I got curry. That's okay. This looks amazing. I'm gonna give it a try. It's really, really good. They put like sauce on it, on all of them, and then they put like the powder as the flavor you pick. And the sauce is really good. It's like barbecue saucy. We've been here for 2.5 hours because some of the waits have been insane. This took a long time. And now we're heading back to the hotel, so I'll close out the vlog there. This was really fun. I think I like the other market better though. What do you think, Grayson?
I think I like this market better, but it took so long to get anything that we've been here for too long. Like, you kind of want to go in and bang, bang, bang and get them right away. And I think I ate too much, so I feel sick. So I don't know. Kaohsiung is the best market. Kaohsiung is the best city ever. Taichung was fun. I liked it. Not a lot to do here, but it was cool.
Alright, see you soon.